Good afternoon, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, children, today we are going to start a new lesson. Lesson number 4, Ethics and Safety Measures in Computing. So, let us start our lesson, children. Introduction. Internet is one of the largest information database. Internet became a vital part of our life. Internet stands for International Network of Computers. Children, Internet is a global system of interconnected computers networks that enables to share the information and various resources with each other. Children, nowadays we can use Internet for personal banking, shopping, or communication is done online. We can share the data and information across the globe instantly. Isn't it, children? Internet has transformed the world into a smaller and convenient place to live. Without internet, there is no organization. Isn't it, children? Every organization is making its presence felt on the internet. Internet is a boon to the world. Let us learn the advantages of internet. Education. Education plays a vital role in the world. Internet has changed the traditional learning system, children. It is widely used for educational purpose by scholars, students, and teachers to learn anytime, anywhere. In this pandemic situation, online education has developed. It has shown a dramatic impact on higher education as more universities offer online courses. For example, IGNOU is one of the universities which offer this facility. Convenient mode of communication. Internet is the cheapest way of communication, isn't it, children? It is a convenient and economical mode of communicating. Users can communicate with each other by using various sources available on internet, isn't it, children? Some of the popular sources which are available are WhatsApp, video calling, chats, instant messages, etc. Business. Internet has brought new opportunities for online businesses. Selling goods and services online and making the financial transactions online from home or office is done very easily. E-commerce. Children, what is meant by e-commerce? E-commerce is nothing but electronic commerce. It is a type of business that lets firms and individuals buy and sell the things over the internet. Nowadays, many companies has developed their own websites. You can observe in any internet websites, children. When we browse the web browsers, we can view many advertisements regarding the e-commerce business. Isn't it, children? E-commerce industries has become one of the biggest industries in the world. We can sell the goods online and we can purchase the goods online. Different shopping portals around the world are included in the websites. And we can also book tickets for the bus, flight, train, and hotel rooms also through e-commerce. Media and entertainment. Internet adds value to media and entertainment. The user can download free online games, videos, songs. Internet also provides the facility to read different newspapers and magazines and also books online. Social networking. Children, we all know that it is the latest way to communicate. It offers a platform where an individual can connect with friends and strangers based on their interests or views. Some of the examples of social networking are Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Forum. In internet, forum is an online discussion site where like-minded people can hold conversations in the form of posted messages. They can exchange their ideas and views by posting the messages on internet. Health and fitness. Children, we all know that internet is now playing a vital role, providing extensive information on health and fitness. Using various medical sites, one can read more about the diseases, their cures, and precautionary measures. So children, let us learn about disadvantages of internet. Virus threat. Computers that are connected to internet have high risk factor of virus attacks, which can result in crashing of systems, data loss, and hardware malfunctioning. Spamming. It refers to unwanted emails which are sent to multiple individuals or groups. It unnecessarily uses the system resources and can also be used to spread computer virus or other malicious software. Theft of personal information. Children, we all know that internet is the main source of piracy and other evil issues relating to privacy of information of an individual or an organization. So, we should be very careful while handling one's personal information such as name, address, credit card numbers, usernames, etc. as they can be accessed easily by hackers and they can also disturb our applications by spreading virus. Pornography. This is a major issue posted by the internet. There are many pornographic sites on the internet that can be found easily and are very dangerous to the mental health of the children. So, the children should be careful while browsing the internet. Cyber terrorism. Children, it is a serious threat to the world nowadays because many terrorist organizations are performing their targets using mobile phones and internet because they are very less expensive. Time wastage. Children, we all know that internet is providing various services to the users. Yet people waste their time by browsing the net. This can result in loss of personal interaction with people. Task of the day, children. Read from the textbook. What are the advantages and disadvantages of internet? Children, we'll be meeting in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.